guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Eve's here again. So today I'm bringing to you a facial cleanser for sensitive skin. If you have very sensitive skin or very dry skin and regular cleansers irritate your skin, then this is very good for you. It is made up of natural ingredients, and not only is it gonna cleanse your skin, but it's also gonna make you look younger. It's gonna get rid of blemishes and improve your skin tone whilst being gentle at the same time. To start, you're gonna need some cucumber juice. This is 100 ml. Cucumber hydrates the skin, and it also gently exfoliates the skin. You're also gonna need some goat's milk, and this is a 50 ml. Goat's milk has so many good benefits for the skin, including brightening up the skin in general. And you're gonna need some honey. Honey moisturizes the skin and gives it that supple touch. You're also gonna need some carrot juice, and this is a 150 ml carrot juice. This will cleanse up your skin, brighten it up, and prevent sun damage. Finally, you're gonna need a little bottle that you're gonna keep it inside, and I have here this little spray bottle. To start, put your cucumber juice in the container. Then come in with the goat's milk. Then add the carrot juice. Now add a half tablespoon honey. Mix everything up till the honey dissolves completely inside. After it has dissolved, your natural cleanser is ready. With the help of a funnel, transfer it into your little bottle. You would have to keep your liquid cleanser in the fridge for a maximum of 3 days. Now, you can store the rest by transferring it into an ice cube container and freezing it up. Whenever you need to, you can just pick a cube and melt it up. Now, when it's time to clean your face, just take a little cotton ball, spray a little bit of the cleanser on it, and cleanse your face. This is so gentle and natural, and it can be used for the eye area. After you're done, you can see how dirty the cotton ball looks. It is gentle but cleanses very, very well. You can wash it off your face with water after about 10 minutes, or you can just leave it on your face and go about your duties. Okay guys, so this is it. Give it a try, and thanks for watching. If you've not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, share this video, and until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.